Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday Waffles, Season 2, where I make one effing waffle that's going to power me all day. So, I used to say I don't like food, but I love waffles. Well, I love waffles, and I'm really loving food too, but I still cannot stand the fucking grocery store. All right, let's get these hands washed up. Let me tell you about today's waffle. So, on today's waffle, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing a really awesome uh, smoked paprika cumin sauce to go on top of that waffle today. So we're still working with the same vegetable-based power waffle, but today we're gonna double it up because I'm gonna feed somebody lunch tomorrow, and then I need my waffle for my all-day nutrition. So we're gonna get this going up pretty good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about the recipe for the other recipe for this waffle, because I'm thinking we're about going to close this waffle out. So there's going to be 6. There's a 7th one that's listed on the waffles. The first days, there's 7 actually sauces for it. But I've got some fun stuff that I really want to do. So, hey, it's all about me. And if you guys get to enjoy it along the way, that's fucking awesome. Okay, we're going to start off with Bob, because we don't do eggs anymore. We do Bob's. I love Bob's egg replacer. This has been so nice discovering this one. I mean, my goodness. So we're doubling up. So we're going to put 2 eggs in here. So we're going to 2 to 4. So there's our 2 of our egg replacer. And now we're going to put our 4 tablespoons of the water in there and get that going. They're chopsticks. It's been a very long day. In fact, it's kind of actually in the morning. Like I said, it's been a very long day. But I still got to get waffles going for tomorrow. I've already had a waffle for me for today. But I still got to get the day going tomorrow. So even though today got a little bit out of control, a little bit crazy, a little bit of a meltdown at the grocery store today. Fuck, I hate doing that. I hate melting down the grocery store. But you know what? I'm a human. And I am just fine with being a human, even though I don't like it. There's our egg, nice and liquidy, and it's not going to be liquid for very long. It's going to be a nice goop. And we like goop. And of course, today is brought to you, as always, by Homo. Sweet Homo. Okay, well, let's get going. Less Brian talking, more of us having fun. So since we're doubling it up, we're going to go ahead and put in 1.5 cups of our flour, then 1/2 cup of the cornmeal. Let's go and get that flour in real quick. Okay, there's a cup. Put in 1/2. Yes, I was in the grocery store trying to ask some questions, and I couldn't find a few things. And next thing I know, I got fucking overwhelmed again. Damn it. I hate it when that happens. I mean, I really do. It's just like, it's kind of like an unexpected out of the blue kind of thing at this point. It's just frustrating. Maybe it's PTSD. Maybe I need to see somebody about it. Maybe I just need to cook some more fucking waffles and have some better grocery store experiences. Yes. Whoa. What did I leave in here? There's the 1/4 cup. Haha. Well, we're not using a 1/4 cup. We're using 1/2 cup. I was wondering what that was. Okay, here we go. Now here comes our 1/2 cup. Bang. Okay, dries are almost done. We got our scoop of protein powder. We're gonna go ahead and put a full scoop in there. Oof, so much. Smoky. All right, we got our protein powder going. I'm excited for this next waffle I'm gonna be making for you guys. I'm really excited for it. In fact, if you know me, you know I can't hold back on surprises. So right after I make this wonderful, healthy, nutritious waffle, I'm going to turn another something into something else healthy and nutritious. I'm going to make a double cheeseburger from McDonald's waffle. That's going to be my next one here in a little bit. I'm so excited. All right, so I got my flaxseed in there. I went ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. I need now the 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1 and 2. Got those going. Yeah, dinner tonight is a lot of fun. Okay, now I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. Gosh, 2 teaspoons of my baking powder. Done. And then now a half teaspoon of salt. And done. Okay, I'll put these away real fast. That's the way I like to do it. Get that put away. Done. Forgot you. Damn it. Darn it. Okay, now let's go skin her dry. Yeah, so I was with somebody. They went by McDonald's, and I was like, "Hey, it says for $1 more, you can get another double cheeseburger." I'm gonna turn that into a fucking waffle. So anyway, that's gonna be the next episode, which will be in about 30 minutes. Okay. So now that I've whisked together my dry, now time to put in the wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 2 cups of almond milk. Since I'm making a double batch. There's my 2 cups of almond milk. Now I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And done. Hey, the cat didn't go flying this time. Thank goodness. Okay. Now I'm putting our. Yeah, there's the clock. What time is it? Oops. Okay. Put in that apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar for our fluff. And now I'm going to stir this up a little bit and then add in our vegetable we're using this week. And so I'm going to put in 1 cup instead of a half cup. Since we doubled it, I'm putting in 1 cup of grated zucchini. Awesome stuff. Stir this up just a little bit more. And then I'm going to fold in the egg. Yay. Okay, now that's ready and time to see. They're nice and jelly. And here comes our egg. Boom. And then now I'm just going to fold that in. I hope you guys enjoy this power waffle base. You can see just how versatile they are. I mean, once we just start adding stuff in, boom. Okay. There we go. Awesome. Just like that. Actually, I'll put these here. Okay, so let's get our waffle iron rolling. Oops. Get that vent rolling. Aha. Okay, put olive oil on there. Now, get that first waffle rolling. Okay. And while we got that first waffle going, let's get going on the next. All right, I'm going to bring it over here. All right, so I've already put in the 1 cup yogurt. And this one I'm using actually Greek yogurt because the other yogurt Yeah, it's kind of where the meltdown happened. Anyway, I'm using Greek yogurt. And so today, I've done it. I finally put everything into the binder. Yay. Okay. So this one we're going to be doing the Smoky Paprika yogurt sauce. And then the one I'm not going to show live on camera, but is in the notes, is the cucumber mint yogurt sauce. Now that's we're going to use the half cup yogurt, and that's just going to be a quarter cup of grated cucumber, tablespoon of mint chopped, tablespoon of lemon, and half teaspoon of garlic. So I'm going to go on that one. But today we're doing the Smoky Paprika, which I'm really excited about. So I've got a cup of yogurt today, our Greek yogurt. So now I'm going to put in a teaspoon of cumin. This is artisan, artisan cumin. All right, teaspoon of cumin. That lid on there. And then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Oh, it's going to be so good. All right, so that's our cumin, our paprika, and now I'm going to put in about a half a teaspoon of salt. There we go. And then we put in 2 tablespoons of our extra virgin olive oil into this one. 1 and 2. Now I would be putting this in the Kimberly Freedom KitchenAid, but it is after midnight and I do not want to wake up the neighbor. Okay, instead we're just going to mix this bad boy all nice and beautifully up. Well, the thing about these flavors too, this is going to be so much better in the morning as these just sit and absorb into that yogurt. It's going to be really nice. I'm super excited about how this is going to taste. And you know what? Since I'm about to do a double cheeseburger waffle, it's going to be for Reaper. You guys remember our wonderful friend Reaper? Well, I am going to surprise him with an amazing, fully nutritionalized cheeseburger waffle. All right. So this, isn't that beautiful? It's a nice, little bit of a reddish, pinkish texture, color to it. Let me give it a taste. Yeah, you can definitely taste the back bite of the cumin and the paprika. God, it's so lovely. It's a nice smoky taste to it. It's gonna pair really good with our waffle. There's that zucchini in the waffle with that nice earthy nutrients that we have in there. Oh, it's gonna be freaking rocking. I'm so happy about this. Then we've got our Scooby snacks. Already got everything all ready. The lunch pail for tomorrow. We've already got the juice in here. We've already got the protein shake in here. Good to go. Now we just get this bad boy waffle in there. All right, this thing is good to go. I'm excited. Okay, let's get going on our awesome waffle. You know. I'd say don't dare be difficult getting out of there. My fork is dead. I done forked it. I done forked it. I forked it up. Okay, let's get this other one rolling. Let's get this wonderful taste test going. I got some waffles to cook and a double cheeseburger to turn into a waffle. I hope you guys tune in for that one. That's gonna be right after this one. Okay, got that rolling. I'm gonna flip it this time. And put just a little bit on one of the tastes. This is just gonna be a little taster for me tonight. It's super late. Okay, with a dollop of our side right there. Small little dollop. Let's see. I'm really excited how this is gonna taste. I do believe with that smokiness, with the earthiness. Hope that makes sensiness. I should not be up this late. All right. Yeah. That paprika and the cumin coming through. Oh, what a wonderful smell. Mm. Once again, the power of these waffles, these power waffles, just so many bases can go on it and change everything. Have a great one. I'll see you guys on our next episode.